Hi guys, it's Marianne. I hope you're well. Let's talk about cardamom today. It is a nice and aromatic, delicious spice, which is also very good for your blood pressure. Inside the cardamom pod, there's a bunch of little seeds, and that is what we want to consume. If you're pregnant, please don't consume cardamom. It can stimulate your uterus and start contractions, okay? Cardamom is an antioxidant, so it can help your heart health. It's a diuretic, which helps you excrete the higher levels of sodium and potassium in your body. It has a lot of fiber if you're eating the seeds, so that can help you with cholesterol. It also dilates your blood vessels and helps with the flow of blood. And that helps you with your blood pressure as well. It is also an anti-inflammatory, guys. So we're gonna make a tea with this, but you can consume it in different ways. You can powder it and put it on your cereal and salad. You can have a pinch of powder and some warm water in the morning, first thing. You can also take a seed and eat it after each meal. It's strong, the flavor is strong, but that works. Whatever you decide to do, please ask your doctor before you take any spices or herbs in case it conflicts with your medication. Let's make this. All right, so I took the seeds out of one of those pods. I'm just gonna put it in this little jug. And I'm going to add a cup of hot water. So 250 milliliters. And we're going to let this steep for 15 minutes. It's very pleasant, guys. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you soon.